What is a fucking oil pan? You gotta be more specific than that.
Alright, so you see, keep going back.
Yeah.
Keep going back.
Yeah.
That next thing.
This?
Yep, that's the bottom, that's your oil pan. And
Okay.
right where your fingers are is the oil drain.
Okay.
So I'm going to slide this over here.
Okay.
You put that under the drain.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the wrench. You're going to put that into that hole.
Okay.
And just give it a quarter of a turn. It's not a threaded thing. These new ones are just like quick little pops. There you go.
Is that it?
That's it. Now pull, let it drop. Just leave the wrench on in the oil.
Okay.
It's fine.
I'm sorry.
Don't be.
I got a piece of dirt in my
I've
eye.
been doing this for a long time and I still make a mess.
Oil.
So that's your old oil.
Can I have a
Yeah.
napkin? Rag. I'm dripping it all over the garage.
It's okay. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Oh, go nuts. You see an oil filter down there?
No.
I don't know if it's top side or bottom.
Where would it be? Like, I don't know what, I don't know what I'm looking for, Tom. This is the first time I've been under a car. What does it look like?
It's like an oil filter.
Well, what the fuck is it? Can you show me what it, there's something next to it.
Okay, that's part of the oil filter.
Like a plasticky thing?
Maybe.
This?
Yep, that's not plastic. That's the oil filter.
Okay.
So, alright, so you're going to get that off next.
How?
I'll give you a wrench.
I get
So
that
to get it
one.
loose, you're going to grab it and go like this, towards the back. That's loosey.
This?
Yep. Yep. Grab. It won't be on super tight.
I feel like, what the fuck?
Go around it, honey. Not like that. It's made to grab all the way around it.
Like this?
Yeah. And just squeeze it and turn. I don't think you're all the way around it.
I feel like there's not enough room under here to do something.
All right. Well, we can wait. You can put the oil plug back in if you want.
Like, you know what I mean? If it can be done, I'd like to do it.
Yeah. You got it. A much better grip that time.
And this thing just keeps pissing on my hand.
I know.
It's making it real hard to grip things.
I know. Oh, you're getting it. You're getting it. If you get about a half turn out of it, it'll start getting real easy. Oh, you got it.
Can I do the rest with my hand?
Yep. I'm going to back my phone up because I know that thing's going to come off the last thread and you're going to drop it in the pan of oil.
Oh, absolutely. Slippery as fuck.
It is.
How many threads are there, man?
Quite a few. There you go, upside down. Perfect. You did it.
Thanks.
Good job. Now, while you're down there, go ahead and put that plastic plug back in the oil drain. There you go. And now take the wrench, put the wrench on it. Put the wrench on it.
That was a dick move.
You might need the wrench just to get it going.
Stay.
Just tell it to stay. Remember, you got to flip that thing on the.
I don't know how you think my arms go, but they don't go that way.
Well, if you're gonna be a mechanic, Shan,
I don't want to be a
you gotta learn to bend in ways that aren't humanly possible.
I don't want to be a mechanic. I want to just do what
Did you flick the switch on the back of the wrench?
Yes, I did.
Good job.
Oh, there. No, oh, there it is. Oh. I'm looking at everything upside down.
Now push in as you turn gently.
Which way am I turning?
Yep, towards me. Push up as you're doing that. Nope, no, other way, hon.
Which?
Like that, yep.
This way?
Boom, yep, and you'll feel it come to a stop. Yep, you got it.
Okay.
That's it. So, I mean, those plugs are nice, but I'm sure as they age, just one more friggin' thing that we're going to have to pay for to replace. All right, I'll give you the new oil filter.
I don't know how I'm getting that fucker on.
Yeah.
I don't need this anymore, right? This
Nope.
really wrench.
Nope. And you don't need the, just dry your hands off, because you're only going to hand tighten the oil filter on. you don't wrench it on. Caddy CT4 351.
Can I do this?
Huh?
Or actually,
Okay, so here's your oil filter.
hang on. I have so much oil on my hands.
Yeah.
Okay, there's my oil.
So you're going to want to take your finger, dip it in some of that oil in the pan, and spread it around the rubber ring at the top of that oil filter. You want to wet your rubber, Shan.
I just wet the wrong thing.
That's okay. Yep, just wet that whole thing. Just take what you have there and smear it around. You just don't want it to get hung up and
That's right here.
damage the seal. Yep, you got it.
Just a little ice cream cup.
One takes his car into the shop and the mechanic says he needs an hour to check it out. What kind of car? What kind of... A damn Penguin car, all right? Anyway, he goes across the street to the 7-Eleven to kill some time to get an ice cream. Penguins love ice cream. Really? Sure. But because he's got no hands, the poor little guy gets the ice cream all over his beak. It's going somewhere. So he goes back to the mechanic. The guy tells him, looks like you blew a seal. The Penguin tells him, no, that's just a little ice cream.
Yeah, it's just a little ice cream. And then we'll take your index finger and go right down the center with the opening.
No.
Do it. Shannon, the car's going to explode if you don't do this.
If I don't finger the...
Finger it.
I have to finger the... Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
Well, you got to get the thread. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, yeah.
Get the threads wet.
She
Yeah.
thinks she likes it?
I think she likes it.
All right.
This is, people don't do this, and that's why the engines blow up.
Well, you gotta treat them nice.
You might want to grab a towel and dry that hand so you can get a good grip on it. And same thing, dry the filter and just kind of spin it with the towel. So that way you can get a good grip on it.
I don't think I'm ever getting the grease off of this.
Done. It works. Alright. So now just,
How tight is tight?
it's basically as tight as you can get it, it'll be good.
How come it's still dripping oil at me?
Because it drips along all kinds of stuff. You might want to take the towel off. You'll get a better grip with just your hand and the glove now.
I might need a new glove. Look at this.
Yeah, that's good. So just give it a good snugging. Give it a good snuggies. That should be fine.
You sure?
Yep. You'll be
can
able to
still
tell if
move
it's
it.
not.
I can still move it.
Okay,
though.
snug it. That's plenty, honey.
Okay. Can I get out from under this godforsaken
Yes,
car?
you can. You're done under there.
Thank God. Oh. Woo!
Oil pressure day one.
Yeah, Daddy. Why they don't have a penis?
Me too.
Okay. And does this one lock? Can I just push down?
You can, but while you're under here, I'm gonna clean up the mess you made. Check your brake fluid, right? You see it at the max line there? Just give it a little wiggle. You see it jumping, so you're good there.
Okay.
Do you want to check? Yeah,
The windshield wiper?
that's your coolant, not
Oh.
windshield wiper.
Yeah.
Windshield wiper's next to that, so
Okay.
you want to top that up while you're here, so you don't run out. That's how you know it's full.
It's full. Beautiful.
What's screwing this? Does.